Hey guys, I'm back. I know you guys liked all the videos that I posted, but we were really busy, and I'm sorry for the delay. Now, instead of having music in the background and me singing with the music, I'm going to be singing by myself with my own pure voice, and I'm going to be singing a mix that I made up myself with all Britney Spears songs. Not all of them, but some. I hope you guys like it. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. Oh, yeah. Oops, I did it again. I played with your heart, got lost in the game. Now I am stronger than yesterday. Now it's nothing but a mile away. My loneliness ain't killing me no more. I'm stronger. From the bottom of my broken heart, there's just a thing or two I'd like you to know. You were my first love, you were my true love. From the first kisses till the very last rose. I hope you guys like it. Comment, view it. Thank you.